I'm Mrs. Yayani O. Santillan, teacher at Pedro S. Garcia Elementary School.
So for our first question, how do you plan to integrate new literacies such as digital literacy or media literacy into your curriculum across different subjects?
For me, it's not a plan anymore kasi ginagamit na namo na siya during our kanang daily activity or daily lesson.
So can you provide an example of a lesson or activity where you successfully incorporated new literacies para ma-enhance or to enhance students' understanding of a particular topic?
The topic that I choose is science.
Tapos,
through my motivation, so gigamit ako ang TV to television para magpagpakita sa ila og video. So that video nagrepresent na siya sa kuang topic unsa paano nako i-integrate ang ang lesson through the video.
So for the third question, how do you assess students' proficiency in new literacies? And how do you use assessment data to inform your teaching practices? So for the first question, how do you assess students' proficiency in the new literacies?
Okay, as a teacher, every lesson, every mahuman mi sa among lesson, nadjud mi siya ginatawag og kanang assessment or evaluation. So dito mi nagamatter kung nakasabot na among bata or wala sa amo ang gitudlo. But if in case na ang ubang bata did makasabot, so as a teacher mangita mi another way nga masabtan yun nila ang amuang leksyon, and that is remediation or kanang conduct another or a review.
And how do you use assessment data to inform your teaching practices?
Okay, kanang nga data nga imong ginamit is scores na sa akong mga bata. So, ma-assist na ko akong kaugalingon through their kanang scores. If dako silang scores, it means nakasabot sila. So, effective ang ako ang pagtudlo para sa ilaha. But, kung gamay silang score, subot pa sabot, siguro na ako'y kulang sa kuang strategy. So, next time, nga nagtudlo na ko sa ilaha, mangita ko another strategy nga maka-level sa ilahang strategy or sa ilahang learning.
Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am. So that's all for our interview for.
Hello, Hill. I am Manuel Floreno, and I am from 4B and B. And the question number 1 is on how do you plan to integrate new literacies such as digital literacy or media literacy in your curriculum across different subjects. For me, to integrate the traditional curriculum is focused on compartmentalized subjects related to digital or media literacy. So, needs to evolve to prepare the students or pupils for the complexities of the digital world. And now, I will be proposing a plan to integrate a new literacies such as digital literacy and media literacy across various subjects, fostering a well-rounded understanding for success in the 21st century. Okay, let's proceed to the question number 2. Can you provide an example of a lesson or activity where you successfully incorporated new literacies to enhance students' understanding of a particular topic? As a pre-service teacher, I think science subject, specifically in climate change. It is a complex issue in our world today, and I will be creating a lesson demonstrates how to integrate the media literacy and the digital literacy to enhance student comprehension of the topic. So, it's conclude that students or pupils learn to analyze media for biases, evaluate online information, and integrates technology to research and create visual to communicate their understanding.
Okay, for question number 2. Can you provide an example of a lesson or activity where you successfully incorporated new literacies to enhance students' understanding of a particular topic? Okay. In a chemistry class studying chemical reactions, students utilized online interactive simulations to explore reaction, kinetics, and thermodynamics in a virtual laboratory settings. This activity not only deepened their comprehension of chemical concepts but also cultivated their digital literacy by navigating and interpreting scientific simulations online. Okay, for question number 1. How do you plan to integrate new literacies, such as digital literacy or media literacy, in your curriculum across different subjects? Okay. Integrating new literacies like digital and media literacy involves weaving them into the curriculum across various subjects, fostering critical thinking and responsible digital citizenship. Teachers can incorporate these skills through multimedia projects, fact-checking exercises, and discussions on ethical online behavior. By embedding these literacies into different subjects, students gain practical skills and a deeper understanding of how to navigate an increasingly digital world.